Have you ever wondered if those little prepaid cards you buy at the corner store are actually a sound investment? Today, we're diving deep into Paysafe, a company that's been making waves in the world of digital payments. Is it a diamond in the rough or just another shiny object? Let's find out. What is Paysafe? Brief history: Paysafe started out as a small-time player in the prepaid card industry. But over the years, it has evolved into a global digital payments giant, offering a wide range of services from online wallets to merchant acquiring. Core services: we'll break down Paysafe's main offerings: prepaid cards, online wallets, merchant acquiring, and more. Explain how each of these services works and why they're important in today's digital age. Paysafe's business model. Revenue streams: how does Paysafe actually make money? We'll explore their various revenue streams, including transaction fees, merchant fees, and other sources of income. Profitability: is Paysafe profitable? We'll analyze their financial statements to see if they're generating a consistent profit. Paysafe's growth potential. Market trends: the digital payments industry is booming. We'll discuss the key trends driving growth in this sector and how Paysafe is positioned to benefit from them. Competitive landscape: Paysafe faces competition from other digital payment companies. We'll compare Paysafe to its rivals and assess its competitive advantages. Investment analysis. Valuation: is Paysafe fairly valued? We'll use various valuation metrics to determine whether the stock is overvalued, undervalued, or fairly priced. Risk factors: investing in Paysafe comes with certain risks. We'll discuss the potential risks and challenges that could impact the company's future. Should you invest in Paysafe? Pros and cons: weighing the pros and cons, we'll determine whether Paysafe is a good investment for different types of investors. Conclusion: based on our analysis, we'll provide a final verdict on whether Paysafe is a worthwhile investment. Encourage viewers to conduct their own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.